Hey guys, welcome back to Becky's Corner. Today's video, I am going to be doing a what's on my iPhone. This was a requested video and I haven't had a conversation with you guys. I think it's a good way to have a conversation with you guys, just have a little chat together and also tell you what's on my phone as well. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like and share to all of your friends and family. And to those of you that are requesting to be my friend, I totally get you. We can definitely talk on TikTok. This is my TikTok here. It's _it's_diamond_. You can message me on TikTok and then we can talk and be friends. Yeah, I would love to communicate with some of you guys. DM me and I would love to talk to you guys. If you get into this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also hit the bell and share to friends and family. Get into the video. So I have the iPhone 7 Plus and I really like this iPhone, and it's basically like the iPhone 8 Plus. It doesn't have the glass back on it. I'm gonna show you guys just so you know what I mean. And I feel like I'm like so legible. So when I would drop my phone, like I don't want to smash the back of it on the iPhone 8 Plus. It just has the normal back of the phone. So I just said, okay then, that one's much better. Thank you to my parents for getting me this phone because I really like it. But it's not one of those phones that like you get tired of, because I feel like there's certain phones that you just get tired of. I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but comment down below if you do. This is my home screen. It's just this really nice marble effects because I am so obsessed with marble things. They're just so adorable and I love them so much. That's that. And this is my phone case. It has it's just this little one that's pink and rose gold, and it just has this pop socket on, and I think it's super cute. I recently did the iOS update. I'm going to be changing it soon. I'm definitely going to be changing it soon, so if you guys want to see a video of that, and comment down below. Basically, this is how my phone looks. First of all, I just have this widget Smith on the top that just displays the time, because like all the time I always check my phone, and when I press on the button it has my phone ID on it, and I have both of my fingers on my phone ID, so it like opens up the phone, so I just see it right there. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's the date, that's the time, whatever, in class. So yeah, the next app that I have is HP Smart, and this is just for my printer. Nothing too special. I have Safari, which pretty much everybody else has, and it just has this angelic wallpaper as the app screen. And then I've got this game called Flappy Dog, and it's actually really nice. I think it's so fun to play and it's just really entertaining, you know, when you're out and you don't have any signal or anything. It's just a really fun game to play all the time. I really like it. Okay, I'm not really good, but the highest score I've got is 74. It's so fun. This is definitely not sponsored, but I just like love this game so much. Guys, you should definitely download it. It's called Flappy Dunk. Okay. Anyway, enough of that because I'm going to get too addicted. The next app I have is TV, and I'm pretty sure everybody just has this app on the iPhone. I don't really use this. I use Netflix more than this. So I just update my phone as well. That's why it's like telling us to renew or do the app, or like what's new in that. I have Files, Google Classroom, and this is just for my school stuff, and it's actually a request for us to have this app for school. Basically just that, just school stuff. And I have this app called Elevate. I was looking for this app. I think it's super fun, and I just like to see what the scores that I get, and if like at break time, like I'm bored and I want to do something educational to get my mind like moving, active, you can just play this game. I play this on my tablet, so I just downloaded it on my phone just because like I like to play on it in school. And then yeah, basically that. It's called Elevate, by the way. And then I have Shazam. Basically this app basically just like, because there's always music that are on the radio that I don't know the name of, and I'm like bopping onto it and I don't even know what it's called. So I just record this with Shazam, and it'll just tell me what the song is. I'm not singing right now, so and then you can search in different songs as well, like Selfish. You just play it. That's it basically. And now the Safari, for some reason I don't know why I have that. I'm going to delete that one. If you don't have Subway Surfers on your phone, then I don't know. Literally, it must. I've had this since I was little, like, yeah, I have to have Subway Surfers on my phone, on my tablet. So like, yeah, so basically Subway Surfers is a way that I keep my sisters and myself entertained whenever I'm on the bus, if they're like bored or something. If we're going out somewhere and they just want to play on my phone, I can just give them my phone and let them play on Subway Surfers. And anyway, my sister has her own phone, but Alice loves to play on my phone and just like play Subway Surfers all the time. And she said that she gets really high score. It's so funny watching her play. It's so good. And I'm not very good at it because I jump way too early, but that's okay. And then calculator, I feel like everybody just has calculator. It's just a thing that you get on your phone. Then I have Blockcraft, and me and my sister love playing this game so much. It's called Blockcraft, and it's just really, it's a bit like Roblox. It's not, because you build stuff, and it obviously has the same stuff like Minecraft. I don't really play Minecraft because I don't get it as much as this game, but I just feel like this one's less complicated, and you can like go to other people's villages and everything. This is my village. It's so fun, and I just like building a bunch of stuff. And right now I'm on the other side. My actual thing is on that side. I just wanted to make like a visitor's place. It's just really fun to play. I'm gonna move on to the bottom bit. The next thing I have is WhatsApp, and then I have text. I forgot what it was called, completely forgot there. Text, and then FaceTime. And I'm always FaceTiming people constantly, and it's just amazing. Love it. Anyway, next I have another budget smith, and that's just a big one, and it just takes up about a quarter of it. And I love the calendar. The calendar icon is probably like my favorite one that I could find. It's like so cute, and the theme of mine, in case you didn't know, which you obviously did, is pink, because I've been like recently been obsessing over pink. I don't know why, but like I've just been obsessing over pink. I think I'm gonna change it to white and light pink or rose gold or something like that instead. Then I have App Store, which you just download stuff on. Skype, which I call my sister on here on her tablet, so we can just call on her tablet. The reason I got this on my phone is because sometimes her phone is dead and she calls us on her iPad. I don't really bring my iPad around, I just bring my phone, or she can call us. Settings, obviously you guys know what that is. Settings, just where you like reset some of your stuff. And then maps. And do you know what I love doing, guys? I love just like zooming into places and looking at it. It's just so fun to just look at them and swipe around the things. Yeah, that's that. I like just zooming out all the way, and then you can like see the world, and it's so cool because you can go like Antarctica. There you can see Antarctica. Europe, we're in Europe right now. Asia, Rome. It's just really fun. I just find that quite fun to do when I'm bored. The next thing I have is Akinator. Wow, I love this. I love it. It's not really like a game. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, but I wouldn't say it was a game, but I'm just gonna say it's a game. That makes no sense. Anyway, see, basically what you do is you press play, and you have to think of a character, and then you have to answer the different questions about it. I'm gonna think of Charlie D'Amelio, let's say. Yeah, he does exist. Female, yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. Charlie doesn't have a younger brother. Yes. No. Yeah. And I got it right. It was Charlie D'Amelio. It's amazing. And complicated ones that you get, the badges that you get, and when you get more badges, you get more expanded options and that. So yeah. Then we'll have camera. Obviously, I don't think anybody doesn't have camera. Hi guys. Oh my days, I just took a bunch of pictures. Wow. Anyway, next I have Bible. I don't know why I named it as divisional. Okay, I need to redo that. But basically, yeah. Bible, I'm pretty sure everybody has a Bible, and in chapter 3 actually. Pretty much just that. Then we have another widget smith on the next screen, and it's just this really small one. I thought the small one was so cute. I was like, oh, that's so cute. First thing I have is Google. Like, I don't think there's anybody that doesn't know what Google is. Then next we have the widgets and color widgets, and this is where I get all of them. Oh, it just updated. Oh my days, it just updated for the Among Us. Yes, if you want me to do a video of playing Among Us with my family, I think that would be pretty fun to do. And yeah, let's see how my Nigerian mum reacts to it Among Us. That will be quite fun. You've got a bunch of options on here, and I'm really liking this Christmas themed one. Maybe I should change it to Christmas, but I really like this one. I think it's so cute. But anyway, I'm going to be doing another one. I'll make a video for that. Next we have TikTok. Love it. And for that icon, I literally have TikTok addict. TikTok addict. Wait. TikTok addict. TikTok addict. Because like I'm so addicted to TikTok, and I think it's actually kind of bad now because like I'm really addicted to it. Like I said at the start, my TikTok is, if my phone will load, _ it's diamond _ this is my TikTok. I'm not letting you see my drafts because those are just trends that I'm like, okay, I need to do these trends and that. So basically, yeah, go and check out my TikTok account and follow me. Follow me. Anyway, next I have is Spotify. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Spotify is just like amazing. It's just this app that you can listen to a bunch of music. You have playlists. I don't know why I'm forgetting everything today. You have playlists to do. So I've got one when I'm happy, when I'm like really happy and excited, and I just want to get pumping basically. I just listen to that one. I have this Christian playlist, and most of my playlists have Christian songs in. And I have this special one for like anything that I'm doing in church. Like if I'm doing drama, stuff such as drama, if I need any ideas for the songs, I just have my AirPods in and just listen to music. And then I've got Going on Run, and then I've got A Morning, and I'm super duper obsessed with Trainwreck. I love the song Trainwreck. It's like amazing. I just love it. And it's like Christian, nice song to just jam on to. Next I have another Bible, which is my devotional Bible. Yeah, it's a YouVersion Bible. So like this is where I do my devotionals in the morning, my devotions. And I think it's really nice. It just gives you Bible verses and you just read it in the morning. It's really fun. Before I go to school, just read that. And the next thing I have is Roblox, and the icon for this I thought was so cute. I was like, that just reminds me of Roblox so much. It just looks like, how would I say it? It's a bit like Blockcraft. You know how like it has this like dimensional kind of effect to it? Basically that, and I was like, that just reminds us of it. Roblox, my Roblox account is, because I had so many people request this on my TikTok, is It's Diamonds 171, and I hardly play this that much anymore, so I haven't really been like on it that much. I just play on my tablet most of the time. I've got Cooking Fever, and my sister is obsessed with this game, guys. She loves it so much, and she just loves it. She just loves playing with it. And then when the customers get angry, you should see her reaction. It's so funny. She starts saying, well, why are you getting angry? Just be patient. And then she tells her mum that they should be patient. It's so funny. And then I have Amazon. I don't really know why I have Amazon. But yeah, I just like to do online shopping and that. Okay, sorry about that. This online shopping is just like stuff like if I need a new lamp, if I need like, I don't know, board games. Yeah, board games, pretty much that.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling.